Hi and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add funds to your wallet using the partner exchange method. If you're working with one of our financial partners, this method is made for you. Here is how it works. First, log in into your account and go to your dashboard. You can either click on Add Wallet Balance from the Balance section or use the left menu, go to the Payment section and then select Add Fund. From the list of methods, choose Global Partner Exchange. Now complete the required fields. Enter the transfer amount, make sure it's in USD, select the partners you send the money to, enter the reference number or transaction ID provided by the partner, choose the transaction date, and upload a clear image or PDF of the payment receipt. Once you are done, click Submit. After a short time, your wallet will be updated with the amount you transferred. For example, here we submitted a $15,000 payment and the balance increases from about minus $10,000 to plus $5,000. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorials.